Alright guys, I'm gonna get some footage of this. There's some clear on footage. Street lights turn on. Street light has turned on. It is thundering extremely loudly. It is not, it's frequent. The lightning is frequent. Holy crap. Oh man, I'm gonna shut the door. Alright, the porch light turned on. Oh! That's gonna be big. Lightning detected 0.9 miles away. That was close. That was loud. Oh. I wasn't kidding when I said frequent intense lightning. As you can tell by this, guys. Getting like you can tell the storm's from Texas anyway. Oh, that was big. That was big. That was bright. Oh crap, I can't hear. I can't hear. Oh my. Excuse me.
Okay, we're not getting wet. I got a jacket on.
Ooh, it's like right outside. Inside in the back and the front. So we got two storms connected. We got, the front edge is just went over the house. And we're getting a big part of this storm. Leading edge. It's already flew over our house. It's raining lightly. Oh, it's starting to. I'm looking for hail. I'm looking like. Oh! Oh, that hit the ground! Guys, that hit the ground. Like, that hit the ground. I should not be, like, right here. I'm not going to be right here. Mom, that's probably my call. That was caused that, probably. Probably near this window. It's probably not a good idea. No, you're not supposed to be near a window when it's supposed to happen. When this thunderstorm's happening, you can't be near a window. Or any door. This is probably my fault. It's coming down, like it's getting windy. Got some nice footage of the storm. This is part 2. Part 1 was where the street light. Oh, oh. Whoa! 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 That was close. Dad, that was
somewhere else.
Dad, that hit the ground. I knew that hit the ground somehow. Oh, I should not stand near this window. Oh yeah, I'm getting worried now. Oh yeah, I'm getting some raw footage of some thunderstorms. Stop opening or shutting door. I'm standing away from it, like very far away from it. Oh, it's 0.4 now. Lightning's detected 0.4 miles away from here. It's right above us. Right above us, guys. Alright. Oh yeah, the power lines are swaying. Oh! Dang! I can tell this storm's from Texas. I can tell it's from Texas. Storm, holy crap. Man, this is awesome. I've not gotten such a bad storm like this in a while. Last time we got a storm like this was like 2014. It's earlier this year. Alright. Thank goodness I'm not on the phone right now. It's raining very hard. Like, there you go. I could see some lightning within this area. I'm trying not to shake. I'm trying not to. It's dangerous. Lightning's extremely dangerous in this area. At this point, it's probably about time to shut the door. The wind is blowing hard right toward this house. Like it's blowing literally like right onto my window. Or in the windows. That was big. That was big and close. Mom, every time big lightning happens, the lightning detector updates. Like it literally updates. Like it was 0.4 before, now it's 0.1. It's 0.1 now. Oh crap! I was caught off guard with this was going to happen. They were. The warning was true. Oh my goodness! It's like it gets intense, and then it just goes down a notch. It's like it's been 6 minutes in this video. Getting some nice storm footage. Oh my goodness. I should not be near this door, but try to get some footage for you guys. Oh no. I'm just thinking a lot of things bad will happen. I'm not trying to, I'm trying to get it like right here, because that's where it's mostly happening. Like, right here.
Excuse me. आप लोग डॉक्टर को बड़े से मिलने आए हैं? डॉक्टर स्टीना। कब?
I'm guessing North Carolina was in for a treat today. Oh, guys, this is not good. Like, oh. As soon as I stepped right near the door, it just did that. Like, literally just sitting right near the door. Or stepped right near it. And it just like, bow, 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 bow. Sorry guys, there's a movie going on in the background, so I can't do nothing about that. Alright, let's see. Lighting's going that way, and it's getting brighter, like, within between. Like, some lightning's been hitting the ground. Oh, man. We got some power lines hanging down low. Like, they're hanging low. Can't see it right there. It's hanging low. Oh, no. I'm just thinking about a lot of bad stuff. Like, if like lightning hit this door, I would not like that. Or I would, but it'd be very no. Oh, what was that? Ooh, that was nice lightning. You saw that, guys. Hope so. Dad, I think the driveway's ruined. Dad, the driveway's ruined. Like, the rocks are spread out in different spots now. And there's a bunch of mud holes. Oh. I was about to say that's hail, but it's not. Because it was, like, banging on the side of this door. Like, near a metal door. Like, I've never been struck by lightning before. Never.
We tried to call you on Snapchat.
Ooh, that was over there. Like, I saw it over here. Ooh, I missed that by a little bit. I missed that by 1 little inch. It just updated. The lightning detector just updated. They said it's like, let's see, point. I don't remember what it said, but I think it said the last time I saw it was 0.1. I think it's about up to 0.5.
Y'all wanted to go there.
They might be wrong because the lightning is still here. Like, oh, that zigzagged across the sky. If you guys didn't see that, that was like above the house, above the gutter.
Oh my gosh.
Man, you got some nice lightning here. Like, it's not cloud to ground, but it's not. It's pretty good for cloud to cloud. I'm not opening that. I'm not opening that door. Like, hold on, I'm gonna lock it. Gotta. Alright, if I can set it right here, it could be.
So now Bridget's there. Who? Cause that one's for Did he send you a message after you didn't answer?
Oh yeah, it's coming hard. It's getting harder. Like the past few minutes, it's been getting like the rain's been getting harder and slacking off and all that. It's getting bright. It's like getting brighter right there. Well, the lightning's going that way now. It's raining hard. Like, I'll show you. Oh, wait. The door's locked. It's raining pretty hard.